What? That is so exciting to me.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to attempt to make our own ceiling clouds with the LED lights. I saw someone on Pinterest and a couple people on YouTube doing it, so I decided I want to add a little oomph to my room, and I'm going to add my own ceiling clouds. I have a special guest with me who's going to be helping me out. His name is Lorenzo, but he's not here yet. I don't know where he is, so stay tuned for that. But I guess I'll show y'all real quick what I got. I got 4 bags of these, which is polyfil. It was $3 at Hobby Lobby, so not sure how much or less we need of this, so I bought 4 bags just to be on the safe side. Also, I bought a roll of project paper because we're going to put that polyfil, we're gonna probably use a hot glue gun to put it on top of the paper and then put the paper on the ceiling, so it'll give it the effect. And then I also bought, well, I have a glue gun, but I bought, of course, glue sticks because I ran out a long time ago. And then Lorenzo thought it was a good idea to buy some spray adhesive just in case, so we might use this as well, see how that works out for us. And of course, these smart LED lights, these was $15, and actually they were like $17 at Walmart. So I thought these was pretty cool because it's it uses the Alexa app in the remote to control it, and I got the Alexa Echo Dot, so that's even perfect. And so now, as soon as he comes back in here, we are going to attempt these ceiling clouds, and I'm gonna show y'all a picture of what it looked like so y'all can see what we're trying to do.
Body cast, painkillers, x-rays, surgical stitches, morphine heavens, one hell of an addiction. Prep the anesthetic, we bout to start the incision. I was trying to stake a pose, cause my mama didn't know. Cause I used to throw me on his back and have me wrap my hands around his stove. Temperature was freezing cold, that's how I made it through the snow. Feeling all alone and completely useless, wondering just how my life was conducive. Searching for a cure, it was too elusive. Coping mechanism was making music. Fall on my hands, cut scars and bruises. Knots on my head, blood clots and contusions. Feeling like a scene from Back to the Future, cause I was like Michael J. Fox with the movements. I thought pops was tripping, had me Chinese splitting my... The struggle's real. The struggle's real. The struggle's real. Yeah. The struggle's real, yeah. I see the devil all around me. I'm praying to the Lord, hoping that he save my soul. The path is dark and I don't know which way to go. Body cast, painkillers, x-rays, surgical stitches, morphine heavens, one hell of an addiction. Prep the anesthetic, we bout to start the incision. This is not a fable, operating table, IV stuck inside my temple. Hemorrhages are detrimental, ICU was instrumental. Muscle tissue torn, body was deformed, ligaments had been disfigured. Vipers hanging on the temple.
I like the blinking anyway, but that, you guys, it's finally finished. All day we've just been working for you guys, tubers.